How to get Philo on Xfinity Flex. If your Xfinity Flex device supports Chromecast, you can cast Philo from your smartphone or tablet to your TV. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Philo app on your mobile device, tap on the Chromecast icon, and select your Xfinity Flex device. Connect your laptop or computer to your TV using an HDMI cable. Then, go to the Philo website on your computer's browser and log in to your account to watch content on the big screen. Consider adding a Roku device or another compatible streaming device to your TV setup. These devices often support Philo and can be connected to your TV, providing access to Philo's content directly through their respective apps. While Philo is not currently available on Xfinity Flex, app availability can change over time. Contact Xfinity support directly to inquire about any updates or alternative solutions they may offer for accessing Philo or similar streaming services. Thanks for watching.